hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Tasty Recipes by TAHSEEN. Let's make today quick and yummy cheese burst bread pizza. सबसे पहले हम instant pizza sauce prepare कर लेंगे. उसके लिए I have added 2 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now mix everything together. Now keep it aside. अब हम कुछ veggies chop कर लेंगे. Here I have taken tomato, capsicum and onion. Now keep it aside. अब हम ब्रेड पे पिज़्ज़ा सॉस स्प्रेड कर लेंगे. Now place all the veggies on the bread. I have placed boiled corn, tomato, capsicum, onion and black olives. Now add shredded mozzarella cheese as well. अब इसके ऊपर हम black pepper, mixed herbs और chili flakes sprinkle कर लेंगे. Now I have preheated the pan and greased it with butter. Now place these bread pieces on tawa and cover it. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, our yummy, delicious cheese burst pizza bread is ready to enjoy. You can serve this yummy dish as snacks or starters this festive season. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe my channel. See you all soon in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye. Allah Hafiz.